Hi everyone, it is Tony from Custom PCs Australia. Today we're just going to show you how to install the Spotify app on Mac, because it is not available in the App Store. First things first, you're just going to jump into Safari or Chrome and you're just going to type Spotify into your search. So the first result that comes up is going to be the one you want to click. So click on that one. Now you will have to log in here before the next step becomes available. So just enter in your details really quickly there. Okay, and you can see that now that we're logged in, there's Install App up the top right there, so click on that one. And click on Download the free app. Size is only a small download, so it's just going to download up the top there. Click on that when it's ready, you'll see it in your Downloads folder. So double click there. Just obviously open. Yeah, from there it's not going to take long to download. Alright, so we're just about ready. Alright, so we're done. You can see that the app is now on the taskbar down the bottom. And we're just going to use the app now, so click allow. And that's it. So you're logged into your Spotify app. You don't need to go through a browser with Mac. Even though you can't find it on the App Store, you just go into the app and you can download it there. I hope this has helped those of you who weren't sure on how to get the app on Mac. So just here to show you that it can be done. You've just got to do it a different way than through the App Store. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one. Cheers.